SimWise 4D is a feature-rich simulation environment that allows you to understand and optimize various functional characteristics and structural characteristics of your SolidWorks design. SimWise offers the powerful advantage of solving simultaneous motion and FEA. Loads calculated from the motion simulation are automatically applied as boundary conditions in the FEA. Calculate stress and deflection as you sweep through an entire range of motion. Built into SimWise and using HEADS from Red Cedar Technology, the SimWise optimization feature allows you to define various objectives for your design, such as maximizing velocity, minimizing the mass of a part, or minimizing stress, all while allowing different variables of your design to change. Investigate multiple geometric design variations and be confident you are considering a wide array of possibilities to your design. Using results calculated from a stress analysis, the optional durability module can be used to help determine the fatigue life of your design. From within SolidWorks, you have the ability to quickly and easily export your model to the SimWise environment, while still retaining full associativity to the SolidWorks model. This means that SolidWorks features such as geometry, configurations, rigid and flexible subassemblies, design variables, and assembly mates remain linked to the SimWise model. Any changes made to these SolidWorks model features will be quickly applied to the SimWise model by simply using the Update from CAD feature inside SimWise. SimWise leverages the SolidWorks assembly mates and automatically converts them into corresponding SimWise constraints. Any changes made to the SolidWorks mates will be reflected in the SimWise model. Once the model is in SimWise, constraints can have their degrees of freedom modified, or they can be changed from something like a rigid constraint to a rotational motor. You also have the option to create your own constraints inside SimWise while choosing from a comprehensive list of constraint options. Various tools are available in SimWise to help you navigate your model both as you are building it and as you are simulating it. A Constraint Navigator tool helps you walk through the topology of your model, verifying connections. Graphical vectors for characteristics such as velocity and force help you see occurrences as they are being calculated. And annotation callouts and dimensions can be used to flag and display critical data in real time. Defining inputs to your model is easy. The powerful function builder gives you the ability to choose from common input curve types such as sinusoidal and step, or define your own customized functions using a wide array of different variables and options. Drive your simulation using spreadsheet data to do things such as represent a motor input curve, or drive accelerations using data measured from experimental testing, or define interactive controls to allow you to modify simulation parameters in real time during a simulation. When it comes to post-processing, SimWise offers several options to review your data. For example, create graphical and digital meters of things such as displacement, velocity, acceleration, and force. Visually and numerically display trajectory paths for components or specific points on the model. Create an FEA report using the built-in report generator, or export your animation to a video file. Create a keyframed animation of your simulation for realistic panning and zooming, or attach a camera to an object. Combining multiple simulation tools into one easy-to-use and comprehensive interface, such as SimWise 4D, makes for a powerful yet affordable tool in validating your SolidWorks designs. For more information on SimWise 4D, please visit us at www.design-simulation.com.